Hi guys, let's see layers option in AutoCAD. So let's start now. So shortcut is LA. So in LA you have entered for layer. So this is the option for adding new layer. So select with new in the name of roof. I have named it as in roof, and the color you want to change you can change it, and the line type and the line width you can change it depending upon your design. And next thing is module, and you can change the color, line width, line type, everything in case you want to freeze. So I will explain this one by one. What is freeze and what is lock and what is plot. Everything can be seen now. Mm, String. So I have created three new layers for my design. So roof, modules and string. So let's start with designing it now with the help of layers. So going with roof. So rectangular. So I made it. And the offset distance is usually 230 for wall thickness, and this has to be placed in roof. So I placed it with roof layer. And next thing is module. So go and select module. So now go for rectangular with dimension. So this is the module I have placed, and make this as a block. So block is important, so to count number of modules, and want to make it in a table, so go for array option, rectangular array with 5 into 2 rows. So this will be distance between the columns, and this will be the distance between the rows. So you can see my model has been created with tables. So our next thing is stringing. So go for string and use polyline while making strings. So I want to connect all this 10 module in a string. So I connected it. For take this an example. So in the sense to count, uh, to measure the length, it is quite easy for a string. So we will be calculating the length of a cable. So using polyline, you can easily measure the length of the cable. So let's see the benefits of layer now. So go for layers. So we can see. Let's minimize it. So first option is on and off. So in case you want to on a particular layer, you can on or off. So you can see I'm on. The modules is off, so you cannot able to see the modules in the diagram. You can just uh, use this to copy the roof and the stringing only in it. So in case you don't want strings, you want only the modules and roof, so make strings as a disable, and you can just use this as a PD layout. So only the roof and the modules can be used here. And next thing is freezing. So you can freeze a particular layer, and locking. So locking in the sense in case you want to lock roof and modules, so it will be locked. You cannot able to delete or move. So in case even if you delete, it will not be deleted. It will not be able to move. So nothing can be done. It will be freezed. And unlocking the modules and roof. And next thing is in case you don't want to make this in a plot. So when you plot the particular diagram and you don't need a particular layer to be plotted there, so you can just select and select for a plot, and it will not be plotted. So next thing is in case you want to change the color, you can change. And the line type you need to change. In case you want to be in a different line type, you can select it from the drop down list. line width and continuous everything, and transparency. And next thing is freeze. So in case, let's see what is the freezing option now. So locking a particular string. So I'm locking a string. I'm making copy. So you can see you cannot be able to make copy. So only the string has been left out and the modules and the roof has been copied. So one more option is using freeze option. So turning on and turning off the layer. So this way also you can use copy and turning on the layer, you can see, and freezing it off. You can see it is only copied to the module and the roof area. So string is not copied. And next thing is creating a BOM. So for creating a BOM, and we need shortcut is data extraction. So DTA and D will be getting data extraction. Select data extraction. You want to create a new data extraction, right? So create a new. Next, and the file path I'm giving is new. I'm saving it. So and select the drawing. So include the current drawing or select the object in the drawing. So give for selection and select the objects you need. I want to select all these objects and give enter and go for next. You want to have blocks and polyline as data, so you can just click and go for next. And what all the properties you need, so you can right click and check all. So select the details you need a layer length, and in case you want to have a line width, line type you can have, and line width is necessary. You can have what are the things from the drop down list, you can select it and go for next. And you can see the number of blocks, that is B. We have made it as module, so it is 20 number of modules. And for string we have created with this length. So one is polyline and second polyline. You can have two number of strings with the length. And for a roof we have made it with this number and a number of lines. And go for next. In case you want to have it in a separate Excel, you can select the path. And you want to insert this in a drawing itself, you select this. I want to have this in a drawing itself, and go for next. And select title, header, data, in case depending upon your convenience, and finish. And select for a place to be inserted. So you can see we have placed the BOQ. So in case you need to scale it in a bigger size, so scale to the required size you need. So you can see, so it has been scaled. In case you need to add one more row, you can add. So click on this, double click on the row, and insert above. In case you can add a row, insert left or right, you can add a column or anything. In case you want to delete or rename it, so go for cell, unlock, so double click, you can edit, re-edit to your convenience. So you can just name it as number, so it will be renamed. So depending upon your convenience, you can give the description, and in case you need to delete a particular row or column, you can delete it. So from the layers we have made it BOQ, and this is the advantages of layer and making a block and making it to a BOQ.